In the last video that I dropped in this channel, I promised that I'm going to create a video to show how to buy ICE token from one of the centralized exchanges where it is listed for completion of the earning rate boost of the Sunwave. Okay, now if I go to the boost section, you discover that there are different centralized and decentralized exchanges where ICE token is listed just as you see it on this screen. So for this video, the app or decentralized exchange that we'll be making use of is Gateio. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy ICE token using fiat, that is using your Naira. So right now, I'm going to proceed to my Gateio. So this is my Gateio app. If you do not have this app, I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you click on the link, you register, you go to Play Store, you download the app, then feel free to make use of the referral code that I'm going to drop in the description below. So after you must have signed up, after you must have verified your account, so what you need to do is you click on the trade button, which is this very one. When you click on it here, you see fiat. What this fiat means is our local currency. So if you click on fiat, it will bring you to this page. Now, here I have Naira. In your own case, you may have USDT here. You can change it to Naira by clicking on the button. Then you search for Naira, that is NGN. So you select it. Okay. So here we have a list of different vendors, those who are selling USDT on this platform through a means called peer-to-peer. So these are vendors that you send your money to, they will release USDT to you, then you can now use that USDT and purchase whatever cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. Okay, so first thing, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to buy USDT, after which we'll swap it to ICE token. Okay, so these are the various vendors. Okay, you can select any of these vendors depending on their limit. Okay, what I mean by their limit is here we have a limit of 74,685, that is the least, and we have a maximum of 756,633, and this person has 506.55 USDT. So you search through for one that has a limit that it is within the range of what the amount you want to buy. So in this video, I'm going to buy ICE worth of 10,000 Naira just for the purpose of this video. So I wouldn't want to go through selecting from the list of the vendors in this P2P platform. So what I will do is I'll use the Express format, okay? And that Express gateway, to select it, or rather to choose that gateway of purchase, I'm going to click on that P2P icon here. So once I click on it, you see different options. These are the various trading options. You can either buy via Express, via P2P, using your debit card, or using bank transfer. So if you're in Nigeria, I will always suggest that you make use of either Express or P2P. The only difference between Express and P2P is in the P2P section, you will have to choose in the list, from the list of different vendors, you have to select. Okay, but if you use Express will the system will select the vendor for you, that is someone who is readily available to do the transactions. Okay, one of the disadvantages of P2P is sometimes the vendor may not be online, so it is required of you to go through the list and select a vendor that is online. That is if you are in a haste. Okay, that is if you need that USDT, if you need it at that point in time, if you can't wait. Okay, so the system, if you make use of Express, will connect you to someone who is active online, someone who you can buy from immediately. So I will select the Express button. Okay, then here I'm going to impute the amount that I want. Okay, if you signed up, if you are using a new account, in the NGN section, that is in this Naira section, you may see USDT. If you see USDT, you just tap on the NGN and you type USDT. So you type NGN, that is the Nigerian Naira. You select it so that you know that whatever you are doing, you are imputing in Naira form. So I'm going to type 10,000 Naira, like I said before. For the purpose of this video, I will be buying ICE token worth of 10,000 Naira. So after having done that, I will click on the buy USDT, that is this green button down here. So when I click on it, it will take me to this page showing me what I am going to receive, which is 6.71 USDT. This is exactly the USDT that my 10,000 can give me. Okay, so I'll make sure that it is on bank transfer because I want to pay through my mobile bank app. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is I'll click on the buy now button. Okay, it says the order has been placed. That is the pop-up message that just came up. So I'll wait for some seconds. Now you see this pop-up icon here. I will click on it. I'll just tap on it where we have buy USDT. So it will take me to this page. After having read through, I will click on pay now. Okay, now there is something I want you to note here. This is just a notification telling you that you have placed an order. Okay, so I'm going to exit it. So you read these instructions. If this is your first time, you read these instructions. They are very simple. It's not complicated. Here we have a countdown time. It's expected that you make this payment within this given time frame. Otherwise, your order will be automatically cancelled. After having checked all this, you click on pay now. So when you click on pay now, the details of the bank which you are going to transfer the money into will be displayed. Okay, this is the name of the person, this is the bank number, this is the bank, and it is an online bank. So what we are going to do is just click on this icon to copy the bank number. Okay, so after that, what you are going to do is you go to your mobile banking app and transfer this exact amount, which is 10,000 Naira, transfer it to this vendor. Okay, now you make sure that if you are transferring the money, you do not use another person's account to do the transfer. Make sure that that name with which you used for verification in this app is the same name that will appear or that is on the bank from which you want to make this transaction. So I will go now to my mobile banking app. I will transfer this exact amount to this bank number which I just copied. So guys, I've just successfully transferred 10,000 Naira to the given account. So I'll go right now back to gate.io and I'm going to click on this button, I have paid. Okay, then I'll click on the confirm button. Alright, before you click on that confirm button, you make sure that your payment has gone successfully. So we just have to wait for some seconds or some minutes in order to receive USDT. Once it is received, the message will be shown on this page. So we'll have to pause this video and then exercise patience. While waiting for the vendor to release the USDT, you can, if you want, you can chat the vendor by clicking on this message button. Okay, now here you see this pop-up message. It shows that our trading has been completed and the 6.7 USDT have been released to us. Okay, so if I want to view details, I'll just click on view details. Okay, then we wait, it's loading. Okay, it brought us here, so we can just go back. Okay, you see here it says completed, you bought 6.7 USDT. So I'll click on this spot trading right now. When I click on spot trading, it will bring me here. Okay, this is the trading section, this is the icon. All right, in case yours brings you to this page or to the home, just click on the trade option or rather the trade button. Then you come here where we have BTC/USDT. You type and search for ICE. Okay, now this is it. We are trying to buy ICE now. We've gotten our USDT, so we want to buy ICE. Okay, so I'll click on it. As you can see, I have selected ICE. This is what I want to trade. I want to swap my USDT to ICE. Okay, so here you make sure that you have that this button is selected, which is buy, not sell, because we don't want to sell, we only want to buy. Now if you check here, this is the available USDT that I have. Okay, this is the available USDT that I have, 6.7. that is the one I just bought. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to drag this button now because I want to exhaust. I want to use all the 6.7 USDT. I want to use it for the ICE. I don't want to reserve any. So I'll drag this button from here to here. Okay, so I'll just drag it, and as you can see, what I can get with 6.7 USDT is 1,261 ICE. Okay, I can even come here and I can erase this. All right, I can also erase this. That is the one at the ICE section. So under this USDT, I can type 6.7. Okay, and this is what it's going to give me. Now, this video is not just purposely for buying ICE. You can buy through this means any cryptocurrency of your choice as long as you have it listed in this exchange. Okay, so I'll click on the buy ICE button. Okay, that is to place an order. Here it requires me to input my fund password. So once I input my fund password, I'm going to click the OK button. So if you have not set your asset password or your fund password, you can do that. Okay, it will prompt a message telling you to set your asset password. So you set your asset password immediately, and you also make use of it for this transaction immediately. All right, so I'm going to input my asset password right now. So I have input my asset password, and this is the order which I have placed. So I'm going to give it some seconds to load, okay, for the order to complete. So I'll give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, it has automatically disappeared from this section. That means the transaction is successful. So I'll click on wallet, that is this option here. When I click on wallet, I'll click on spot. This is spot. I'll click on spot. Then I will allow it to load. So I'll search through for ICE. Okay, I'm going to search through for ICE. Now this is ICE. This is it. Okay, hope you can see it. So I'll click on it right now. Now this is my ICE. This is the amount that I have, the amount of ICE that I have. Okay, so I'll click on the withdraw button. When I click on the withdraw button, I'll click on on-chain withdrawal. Okay, I'll click on got it. Now we have successfully purchased our USDT, and we have successfully traded our ICE. So we have ICE now in this wallet. So in order to transfer this ICE, to send it to the Sunwave, I've dropped the video here before. Okay, I've dropped the video. That is the last video that I dropped on how to do the transfer. Although that was in that video we made use of OKX, but this is Gate.io. It is not different. The processes are almost the same. So you go to the Sunwave, which is this very one. When you go there, you click on the mining button. You see a boost option. When you click on the boost option, you click on the continue button, which is this very one. This one is not showing because I've done it. So once you click on it, the given address that will be given to you, you come here, you paste the address, select the network, impute the quantity. While imputing the quantity, please always make sure to add to whatever you are going to send the transaction fee, that is the transaction charges. So for Gate.io, we have 95.84 as the transaction charges, while that of OKX in the last video, it charged us 30 ICE. So you make sure you add it to the total balance. So once you are done, you impute, you click on withdraw. So it will take you to a page where you are going to get a code from your email address and your phone number, the one you use for registration of your Gate.io account. Once you confirm all this, you get your transaction hash, which I have shown in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, you check the description below, you watch the video to know how to get your transaction hash, after which you submit it and your boost will be activated. So guys, this is what I wish to share with you in this video. If you find any of these steps complicated, please, you do well to drop your question at the comment section below. Also check the description below. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link. If you wish to join my WhatsApp channel, you click on the link, you join my WhatsApp channel. If you find this video helpful, do well to click by subscribing to this channel. Feel free to share this video, give a thumbs up to this video. Once again, thank you for being with me till the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video.